Hi YouTube, this is the Logitech M590 Mouse and it is a wireless workflow champion. Let's take a closer look. So this is a wireless mouse. It fits fairly easily in my hand. I wouldn't say that it was too small. I don't sort of have claw hands trying to hold it, but it's definitely compact. If we look at the underneath, you can see there's an on-off switch. It runs off of one AA battery. And in that compartment, you can see there's the USB dongle, which Logitech call the unifying receiver. So that's tucked away. On the top, you can see the main button to switch between devices. So first switch on the mouse. The good thing is it indicates which device you're switched to, and it's easy to switch between. I use number 1 for my work laptop and number 2 for my home laptop. So that's really easy. This matches the numbers on my Logitech keyboard as well, which keeps it consistent. On the top as well, you can see that there's a wheel. One of the big benefits of this is that it's pretty much silent. You can also push it, or you can move it from side to side. I have it set up to copy if I move it to the left and to paste if I move it to the right. There are also 2 programmable buttons on the side. And you can change these using the Logitech software that comes with it. Just going through the stats, size-wise, it's 100 by 60 millimeters or 4 by 2.5 inches. It weighs 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. Just to summarize, the pros of this is that it's really easy to switch between devices and it's pretty quiet, so the thumb wheel on it is quiet. Maybe one of the cons is that it's a little bit on the small side. So if you've got really large hands, you might find it small. One of the big benefits as well is that combined with my Logitech K380 keyboard, I get a really good wireless solution that works well with 2 laptops, one work and one home. I have actually replaced this now. I did use it for quite a while. This has now become my travel mouse. If you want to see the mouse I'm using, then go to the video that I've got on the Logitech Ergo M590. Why not leave a comment and let me know which mouse you use, especially if it's a multi-device mouse like this one. I'm always interested in knowing what else is out there. If you've liked this video, why not give it a thumbs up and hit the like button for me? It really helps me to know if I'm producing the right sort of content. And why not subscribe? Then you'll see some of the other videos in this series or some of the other videos that I've done related to everyday carry and tech as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.